Top weather headlines continuing to see those frosty mornings, a mix of sun and clouds ahead. And then we've got some fire weather concerns developing Sunday into Monday. Before we even get to that, though, we're continuing to watch some fire concerns in Southern California. Morning lows started off in the 30s throughout the valley, 40s for the foothills, teens up top for this year. And now compare that to where we reached afternoon highs in the 50s up top for this year, 60s for the foothills and the valley, even along the coast, hitting highs today in the 60s as well. Here's a look at where we see some of the highest fire concerns, and you can see it's in Southern California with our red flag warning continuing until Saturday evening. Wind gusts up to about 55 miles per hour. We are tracking a rather large fire right now, the bonfire. It's about 7,500 acres with no containment. Tomorrow for our weather, we won't have wind concerns. We will continue to see those cool mornings in the 30s and 40s. Afternoon highs staying in the 60s, 50s up top for this year, and continued dry weather. That's going to elevate those concerns as well as we deal with some of those fire weather conditions developing. Siggy sending this Newcastle sunset in just a moment ago. Thank you so much for submitting that. And look at this one from Fred Page up near the American River at China Flat. The water just looks so cold. Thanks for submitting those to the ABC 10 Weather Force. You can do so by uploading them on the ABC 10 app. All right, here's a look at the pattern shift that's developing heading into our Sunday and Monday forecast. We've got this high pressure ridge bringing the sinking, warming air and dry conditions, and a little low that just scoots right in through central California. With the opposition of those two weather patterns, we're going to see those offshore winds elevating the fire danger. Drier than average conditions continuing for about the next 10 days, as well as right around above average temperatures for much of Northern California. All the colder air locked off to the east of us. All right, here's a look at those temperatures. In the meantime, highs near 50 tomorrow for this year, 60s as we start to head down the hill. Our 5-day forecast continuing to show no opportunity for any showers coming in. Highs will be in the 40s and 50s. Our conditions along the coast will be in the 60s as we head inland, back up to about 71 for Fairfield. That after a morning low near 33 degrees, 72 for Gilroy. Northern San Joaquin Valley, morning lows in the 30s. Highs will warm to the 60s again. Manteca and Lodi both at 67. Tracy and Patterson at 66. Stockton, Modesto, we're topping out at 64. Our highs tomorrow for that Friday forecast, 65 in Roseville and Sacramento. Davis and Elk Grove right around 66, as well as Galt. 64 for Folsom and El Dorado Hills. Vacaville, Colusa, we're at 68 degrees tomorrow. Our 10-day forecast shows a whole lot more of the same. As you can see, a lot of sunshine across the board here. We're running roughly about 2 inches behind where we should be in terms of our rain coming in at this point in the season.